Hey everyone, welcome back to my Chanel. Today I've got something super exciting for you. If you're looking to brighten your skin naturally and see results in just 1 week, this video is for you. I'm going to share a powerful skincare routine using all natural ingredients that you can easily find at home. Let's get glowing. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need for this routine. 1 turmeric powder, 2 honey, 3 lemon juice, 4 baking soda, 5 coconut oil, 6 vitamin C serum, 7 aloe vera gel, 8 rose water, 9 sunscreen. These ingredients are packed with properties that can exfoliate, brighten and hydrate your skin, giving you that natural glow we all want. Let's dive into the first step. Step 1. Turmeric and honey mask. We'll start with a turmeric and honey mask. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder with 1 tablespoon of honey and a few drops of lemon juice. This mask is great for brightening and evening out your skin tone. Apply this mask to your face, avoiding the eye area, and leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes. You can do this every other day for the best results. Step 2. Daily exfoliation. Next, we're going to exfoliate. Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 1 tablespoon of coconut oil to create a gentle exfoliating paste. Massage this onto your face in circular motions for about a minute, then rinse off with lukewarm water. This step will help remove dead skin cells and reveal a brighter complexion. Do this once a day, preferably in the evening. Step 3. Vitamin C serum. Now let's talk about vitamin C serum. After cleansing your face in the morning, apply a few drops of vitamin C serum. This powerful antioxidant will brighten your skin and help reduce dark spots over time. Make sure to follow up with sunscreen, as vitamin C can make your skin more sensitive to the sun. Step 4. Aloe vera and rose water toner. For a refreshing toner, mix aloe vera gel with rose water. Apply this toner to your face after cleansing in the morning and evening. This toner will soothe and hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling soft and refreshed. Step 5. Sunscreen protection. And of course, don't forget sunscreen. Apply a broad-spectrum sunscreen with at least SPF 30 every day. This is crucial to protect your skin from UV damage and keep it looking bright and healthy. And that's it. Follow this routine consistently for 1 week, and I promise you'll see a difference in your skin. It will be brighter, smoother, and more radiant. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and